Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Instagram Stories. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw arrows inside of Instagram Stories. So let's go ahead and open up Instagram Stories. Take a photo or video. I'm just going to grab a filter here. I'm going to go to the weather filter. I am in boomerang mode, so I'm just going to tap on the shutter button to take a boomerang of the sun. I'm going to tap on the type tool in the top right corner. I'm just going to tap out sun. To draw arrows in Instagram Stories, you are going to use the brush tool. So tap on the squiggly line in the top right corner to open up the brush tool. You can change the side of the brush by using the slider on the left. And then we're going to tap on the up facing arrow. You see it's the second brush. So I'm going to tap on that. Choose a color at the very bottom. So you can choose any one of those color swatches, or you can press and hold to choose the exact color that you want. I'm just going to choose white for now. So with the arrow brush selected, all you have to do is just draw out a line and let go, and at the end will be an arrowhead. You can get fancy with it, draw curves. Again, you can change the size. If you go to the very bottom, it'll be a smaller arrow. If you go to the top, it'll be a thicker arrow. You can use the undo button to get rid of some of them. You can use the eraser brush if you want to erase them away. So the next time that you need an arrow in Instagram Stories, just tap on the brush tool in the top right corner. Tap on the second brush with the up facing arrow. Choose the size by using the slider. Select the color at the very bottom. And then just draw out an arrow. When you let go, choose the size. If you need to erase, just tap on the eraser tool. You can change the size of the eraser, erase away. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is how you draw arrows in Instagram Stories. Cheers.